Hi friends, welcome to my channel ALC. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today I will discuss about the mortgage, essentials of mortgage and kinds of mortgage under the Transfer of Property Act 1882. The meaning of mortgage: loan may be secured or unsecured when money is given simply on the basis of debtor promise to pay, that is, on promissory note. The creditor can file a suit for the recovery of money where the loan is secured against some immovable property of the debtor. It is called mortgage. Whether the property is immovable, the loan is secured because in default of repayment, the creditor can recover his money from the property which has been specified as security. Definitions of mortgage: as per section 58A of Transfer of Property Act 1882, define mortgage is the transfer of interest in a specific immovable property for the purpose of securing payment of money in advance or to be advanced by way of loan. An existing or future debt or performance of an engagement which maybe gives rise to a promissory liabilities or pecuniary liabilities. The mortgage defined under the section 58A is a transfer of interest in some immovable property. It is not transfer of all the interest, but only the some interest in the property. The purpose of this transfer of interest is give security for the repayment of loan. Now, essentials of mortgage. Number 1, there must be transfer of an interest. The interest transfer must be some specific immovable property. The purpose of transfer of interest must be to secure payment of any debt or performance of any engagement which may give rise to pecuniary liabilities. Next one, kinds of mortgage. Section 58 provides kinds of mortgage: simple mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale, usufructuary mortgage, English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deed. Number 6, anomalous mortgage. Thank you for watching my video till end.